Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. This is Ali Abbas from Stock Diary 41. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today was a very zigzag day. Market opened about flat, went a little up, then down, then up, then down, and then swung. There was a lot of movement today, around 1,000 points swing from top to bottom, and then it recovered around 700 points. So a lot of trapping on the call side, on the put side, but those who did short either the puts or bought the calls over here made a lot of good returns. So post market analysis is the market took a support at 5800 levels and bounced back to finish off at 51400. So I was saying yesterday or in my previous video that 51700 breaking would cause a big fall, and that's exactly what happened. Yesterday it touched over here and then bounced back up. So 51700 actually broke somewhere over here. So there was a bounce, and then when this broke it came back down, and again there was a recovery yesterday. No trades triggered yesterday, that's why no videos yesterday. So today we got some few trades. I'll just take you to that. Also, if you'd like to subscribe to this indicator, my subscribers are using this indicator on their charts. You can go ahead and email me on stockdiary41@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp me on the number mentioned in the description. I will get back to you. The first week is absolutely free. You can use it on a trial basis, and after that the first month is only 500 rupees and the second month onwards is 2500 rupees. So let's get to today's trades. I was looking for premiums above 300 for either buying or selling. So two trades triggered on 51,100, and this came in at around 277. The alert rung at 275, and with the stop loss being at 319 or 320, let's round it off. So we got our first and second targets over here and the third targets over here, and then stop loss was shifted to the 8% level, and we got knocked out over here. Again on the same on the same strike, we got another entry over here. Now this spike up and then fell back down over 100 points, so we just waited and watched, and it went all the way to 8, 16 and 32% decay, and after that it was just trailing, and around here, I think here or here, I'll just have to check, where we got knocked out. So even though the premiums are falling pretty fast from 350 plus, it came down to 100, made some good returns over there. Now on the call side, was quite troublesome today. Could not get a proper strike to look at because the market just kept falling and falling, and premiums from 1000 plus came down all the way to 200, as you can see. That's because the market moved 1000 points. Then there was a buy over here. I'll just show that to you. Yeah, there was a buy over here at 281, and we got knocked out over here at 236 in the same candle itself. So very fast movements over there. Then we got a buy over here at 353, and the first and second targets, and also, I think also the third target was met in the same candle itself, 465. So the other lot was just trailed from cost from 8% onwards, and somewhere over here is where we got knocked out. And again there was a buy indicator over here at 343, sorry, but the stop loss was at 288, and it went on to the first, second and third targets within 10 minutes. So really good trades today. I think I really covered up a lot in based on my targets. So I'll just take you to the Excel sheet now. So traders, massive Wednesday expiry today. 5 trades, 2 on the buy side on calls, and 3 on the buy side on calls, 2 on the sell side on puts, and this is how it turned out. The first trade we got at I'm just putting in the order of calls and puts, so I'll go with the first trade. That was at 11:30. 51,100 put at 275. We collected one lot at 253, 231, 187, and the trailing stop loss at 210, 219 points. The second trade came at 12:20, where there was a buy on the call side and a sell on the put side, again on the same strike. So this was bought, and here the SL got hit, and this was sold at 339, 312, 285, 231 and 62. Trailing stop loss hit at getting 466 points against the buy stop loss of 225 points. After that 120, is when we got a buy on the call side 5700 at 353, booking two lots at 381. So the 28 points booked over here, two lots, that's total 56. And then one lot at 409, one lot at 465, and trailing stop loss hit at 607, gathering 478 points. The third and final trade came at 215, where we bought another call at 5700 call option. 343 the buy, 372 lots booked, 398 one lot booked, 453 one lot booked, and trailing stop loss hit at 468, getting 344 points. A massive 1282 points. This is my largest uh, accumulation of points on Bank Nifty in a single day. So what I was at around 33%, I jumped up to 77%. Now from my target, I'm only 689 points away. So I'm looking to achieve this in the coming 2 days plus sometime next week, so I can get to my target and then we can increase the lot size. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.